Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it is all about creating the lifestyle that you love. Okay lifestyle lovers, so this video is going to be about 5 cleaning tools that I use to keep my home clean on a daily basis. Now I'm going to tell you, I really don't like to clean, but I love having a clean home. And if you have seen any of my other videos such as my vlogs, you guys know I'm always talking about cleaning tools, cleaning products, and just different hacks in order to keep my home clean, because I love a clean home. However, I'm a busy girl. I'm a mom, I have to work, I'm also a content creator. So sometimes it can be kind of challenging to keep my home clean with a busy schedule. So I want to share with you guys 5 cleaning tools that I use almost every single day to help me keep a clean home. So one of the first cleaning tools that I want to share with you guys that I'm using on almost a daily basis, if I'm not using it every day, I'm most definitely using it once a week. And just to be fair, this is a fairly new cleaning product that I recently shared in my vlog, so I've only been using it probably about 3 weeks, but I absolutely love it. And it is the Swiffer Power Mop. Now I just recently purchased the Swiffer Power Mop, and it's pretty much like a very upgraded version of the Swiffer Wet Jet. So if you have the Swiffer Wet Jet, the Power Mop is like the better version of a Swiffer Wet Jet. But I use this to keep my floors clean daily. And the good thing about this is you can use it on a variety of surface. You can use it on tile, which I have tile and luxury vinyl throughout my home, but you can use it on tile, you can use it on luxury vinyl. And they also have a special Power Mop for if you have hardwood floors. So the one that I have, you can use it on multiple surfaces, but there is a specific Power Mop for hardwood floors, but it has several different variations of cleaning solution that you can use to help your house smell really good. One of them is the Unstoppables, which I absolutely love the smell of Unstoppables. So your home smells like a fresh load of laundry by the time I get through mopping. And it's really easy to use. They have repurchasable mop pads that I purchased in bulk off Amazon, but this is one of the easy ways to kind of keep my floors clean. I don't have to pull out a mop, I don't have to pull out a bucket, I don't have to boil any water, but at the same time I can make sure my floors are clean. Just to be clear, I don't really use my Swiffer mop, you know, when I want to deep clean my floors, or if I have something sticky on the floors or food that's pretty much stuck to the floor, I'll use boiling hot water in order to clean my floors. But my Swiffer mop is great for daily cleaning. If I'm using it pretty much on a daily basis or every other day, then I do not have to do as much deep cleaning because my floors are pretty much staying clean on a daily basis. So this is definitely a tool that you need, especially for my lazy girls, because sometimes I can be really lazy, but sometimes I just need to clean my home very quickly. So I definitely recommend the Swiffer Power Mop for one of your daily or weekly cleaning tools. Okay lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the next cleaning tool that I use on a daily and weekly basis to clean my home is the stick vacuum. Now I'm going to tell you, I have been through several variations of stick vacuums. The one that I'm currently using, it was actually a collaboration, a sponsorship with a company called Ultenic, and their products are available on Amazon. I have their robot vacuum as well as the stick vacuum. But I'm gonna be honest, you do not have to break the bank on this, because I've had some very expensive stick vacuums as well. Really easy to use, really easy to store. It takes maybe 1 to 2 hours to get a full charge to vacuum the floor, but this is something that I am using every single day in order to clean my floors. In most cases, I'll use my stick vacuum before I go in with my Swiffer Power Mop, and it's just really easy, really simple. It's very flexible, so it gets in the crevices of corners. I can push it up under furniture. This is an item that you definitely want to have as part of your cleaning arsenal to quickly clean your home. And you do not have to spend a lot of money on a stick vacuum. So I'm definitely going to recommend the stick vacuum that I have. This portion of the video is not sponsored. However, I have worked with this company on multiple occasions and their products are really good quality. Just to name a few of the benefits of having a cordless vac is most of the time they're very small, they're easy to store. I keep mine in my coat closet right up front. They're lightweight, so they're not heavy. They're cordless, of course, so you don't have to worry about a cord coming out of the wall or a cord trailing you around the house. I really just like it, you know, for the convenience and for the ease of it and being able to quickly clean my home. So you absolutely want to incorporate a stick vacuum in your everyday cleaning routine. It's a must-have, at least for me it is. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the third cleaning item that I use on a weekly basis is the toilet bowl wands. I do not know what I would do if they stopped making these. But Clorox sells like a toilet bowl wand kit. So the kit basically comes with a stand. It also comes with your toilet bowl wand that kind of fits in the stand, as well as some toilet wands have the cleaner embedded inside the wand. And this is perfect if you have guests coming over and you need to hurry up and do like a quick clean or a quick check on your bathroom. You can clean your toilet in a matter of minutes. Even if you don't have any toilet bowl cleaner or any extra cleaner for inside your toilet, it's an all-in-one system and it's very convenient. It has a long wand so you don't have to have your hands too close to the toilet. It also has a caddy, and I purchased all of my refillable wands on Amazon in bulk. That way I never run out. I have one of these in each of my 3 bathrooms and I use these on a weekly basis. I don't have to clean my toilet every day, but I use these on a weekly basis, and if I'm having guests coming over at the last minute, I absolutely have to have my toilet wand so I can come in, do a quick clean sweep of my bathroom and clean the toilet out with my toilet bowl wand. So this is one of the cleaning tools that you definitely want to add into your weekly cleaning routine because it's quick, it's convenient, and it doesn't take a lot of effort in order to clean your toilet. And you can easily dispose of the used wands with just a simple click. There's a button on the wand and you just press that button and it releases it into the trash can. So quick, easy, effortless cleanup. So this is probably a cleaning tool that I probably wouldn't be able to live without in my weekly cleaning routine. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to one of the next cleaning tools or cleaning items that I absolutely have to have in my daily and cleaning routine is microfiber cloths. And this is something that I use absolutely daily. I purchase these probably about twice a year because the best thing about microfiber cloths is they're reusable. I wash these, it still has the same soft texture. And one of the benefits of using microfiber cloths is they're very absorbent. So you don't have to use as much product, cleaning product or water because they dry very quickly. You can use them for so many different things in your home. I use them on my quartz countertops every single day. They're not abrasive. They're very, very soft. They're very inexpensive. You can use them for glass. You can use them for countertops. You can use them for wood. You can use them for stainless steel. You can use them to dust. You don't necessarily have to wet them. I use my microfiber cloths dry. I use them wet, and I use them for so many things in my home. I don't think I could keep my home as clean as it is without my microfiber cloths. So this is a cleaning tool that you definitely want to make sure that you have as part of your cleaning arsenal are the microfiber cloths. I do not purchase any other type of cloth to clean my home. I only use microfiber cloths in my home because I can use them for so many variations and so many different surfaces throughout my home, and they do not damage your surfaces. It's not abrasive, it's not hard, it doesn't scratch. You can use them on marble as well. So I definitely recommend that you include microfiber cloths into your weekly and daily cleaning routine. This is a must have, okay? Okay, lifestyle lovers. So last but not least, the cleaning tool that I absolutely have to have, cannot live without in my home, is my robot vacuum. This is also a great cleaning tool for my lazy girls, because I'm going to tell you, most of the times when I operate my robot vacuum is when I'm in the bed. So when I wake up early in the morning, I do have an Ultenic robot vacuum. It's made by the same brand as my stick vacuum, but most of the time when I wake up really early in the morning, I have an app on my phone. I just go on my phone and I start my robot vacuum, and by the time I wake up to get my day started, or start to make my coffee or log on for work, my house is already vacuumed. It has already did the job for me. And this is another item that you do not have to break the bank for. I actually have 2 robot vacuums in my home. One of them is one of the known name brands, one of the pricier brands that I purchased during Amazon Prime Day. But the particular one that I use on a daily basis, that was a collaboration by a company called Ultenic. Their price very reasonable, and it works just as well. You can purchase it at a very reasonable price, and it does the exact same job, if not better, as some of the higher price robot vacuums. The one that I have also has a dust collector, so I don't even have to empty it that often. Once it's done cleaning, it goes back to the dust collector and it pretty much empties itself. And one of the great things about having a robot vacuum is you don't even have to be home. If you want to program it to clean when you're not home or when you're at work, you can definitely do that. And some of them really have these features such as cameras and mapping out your home. Just depending on how much you spend on your robot vacuum, it could really get technical with some of the features that it actually offers. But this is one of my favorite cleaning products. And in most cases, you have the charger base. You do not have to worry about charging it. Once it has done its job in your home, it'll just go back to the charger and charge itself, and you can start it whenever you're ready for it to start cleaning. So basically, when you use your robot vacuum, you just make sure, you know, there's not any cords or anything that could get tangled in the vacuum, because if it does, it will stop. It will stall or it will stop. This is a cleaning tool that I use every single day, and this allows me to not have to use my stick vacuum as much, because my home is vacuumed every single day by my robot vacuum. So I absolutely love this. It's perfect, as I stated, for my lazy girls and someone that just likes to keep their house nice and clean and tidy. And it also gets those vacuum lines in my area rug. Most of the areas where I use my robot vacuum is not carpet, only my area rug, but I can see that it does have the vacuum lines in my area rug. So if that's something that you like, the robot vacuum does that. You absolutely need a robot vacuum, okay? Okay, lifestyle lovers, so those are the cleaning tools that I use either every day or every week. It helps me to keep my home clean and tidy without doing as much work or requiring as much effort. If you are interested in any of these items, I will link that in the description box. But I am always looking for new cleaning tools or new cleaning products. So if you have any suggestions for items that I should add to my daily or weekly cleaning routine, please make sure that you comment below. But that is pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I hope you're having a great week, a great weekend. Whenever you're watching this, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.